WindStorm Boat Covers by Eevelle is a high-quality line of semi-custom, fully trailerable boat covers. Before installing the cover, it is best to cover any sharp edges. It's also advisable to clean your boat before installing the cover to keep the cover from scratching the boat if it is dirty, and also keep the inside of the cover clean for future use. Start at the bow and hook the front of the cover over the nose. Then move toward the stern, opening the cover as you go. Pull cover down into place, working from front to back on each side to pull the cover below the rub rail. Take care to position the cover so that the overhang below the rub rail is even from one side to the other. Now you're ready to strap down the cover using the 12 straps provided and the sewn-in loops around the hem. Tighten the straps to secure the cover snugly in place, but don't over-tighten. Keep in mind there may be more loops than straps, especially on longer covers. This is to give you flexibility in securing the cover and to accommodate a variety of boat styles and trailer configurations. Our semi-custom covers are designed to fit a specific style of boat from a variety of manufacturers, so the covers will fit each manufacturer boat a bit differently. A well-fit cover should come down below the rub rail and above the trailer. When trailering your boat with the cover for the first time, it is advisable to observe the cover to make sure it is not flapping or billowing excessively. Stop and adjust the cover and tighten the straps as necessary. With proper installation and maintenance, your WindStorm cover will provide years of protection.